people used to date. They had a 4-year romantic relationship and now they're exes. And if they spend 30 days chained together, I will give them $250,000.
Wait, I can't believe I'm in the same room as you right now.
Yeah, and you're kind of stuck with me?
But this time, she's trapped with someone she knows a little too well.
We dated 4 years, we're broken up for 3, and now we're locked together in a box.
She really should be, because this chain will shrink, and these two exes will be forced to confront each other.
I feel like we should talk about our problems eventually.
This is more rough than I thought it was gonna be.
We're just in here to survive, win money, and then never speak again.
Though their fighting continued, the chain was actually starting to bring them closer. And over time, they were becoming friends again.
Hey Susie, can we talk?
I was still madly in love with you when I broke up with you.
I don't think I ever fully stopped loving you. Can I take you on a real date when we leave?
Yeah, I'd love to go on an actual date.
I never fully stopped loving you after we broke up, and I carried that with me everywhere I went. There was so much love left over for her in my heart that I couldn't move on and allow myself to love someone else. Can I take you on a real date when we leave?
Yeah.
It's a date.